in there so you don't mash your finger. Watch this. Put it right down there. Put the stock right here in your hip. Hold this right up here. Cock it.
Too hard?
Put it in tight. There you go.
Hard, huh?
Yeah.
You'll get it. You got more than that.
Gotta click 7 times.
There you go. Now clock it in place. Don't ever put your fingers underneath here like this, because if you do, this one's probably got a safety feature in it, but the old guns will go and they'll mash the shit out of your fingers.
I have one of those.
Sit your ass down.
I remember those.
Now remember what I told you about your safety? You got to go the other way. That's on. That's off. When you see that red,
That means
it's ready
fire.
to fire.
Ready to fire.
Index finger. Well, if you like using both fingers, use both fingers, but you got to learn how to just use your index.
One finger.
There you go.
Yeah.
Put it in there like that. Hold it up there, like this, to that, to the target. Put your Canadian bull right there. You see that orange dot?
Yeah.
Put it in that little V right there, in the side here, and then line both of them up on your target down there.